Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and get orbs and Discord. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So orbs are the new feature that Discord has recently introduced people, and now you can go ahead and earn orbs directly by completing quests that are available on Discord. So firstly, make sure you open your Discord and log into your account. Either you can do it on the app itself or the website as well. So all you need to do is click on this direct messages tab, and then there is going to be this option right here on the top which says friends, nitro, shop, and quests. Simply go ahead and click on quests, and as you can see, it has a lot of different quests that you can go ahead and do to go ahead and claim. For example, King of Meat sale quest, watch the video to win 700 orbs right over here. As you can see, there's another one, and there's a bunch of other things that you can go ahead and get the quests with, and then you can click on open shop, and these are the things that you can purchase with your orbs. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.